Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
No, I don't want you joining just because when you make that decision, it needs to be. I'm just trying to say. Oh, okay, here we go. I wanted to see what ChatGPT would tell me about my video. I use ChatGPT for everything, y'all. Love it. So after you become commissioned in your state, though, to actually start executing everything that you're learning, I'm going to say allow yourself at least 30 to 60 days. At least 30. Depends on what kind of student you are, too. Because some people come in here and they get it, okay? I came late. What is the group name? Nakia? Hey, Nakia, what's up? What do you mean the group name? What are you referring to? What are you referring to? The name of the mentorship program is Notary Business Success Program 1. And then number 2, I changed the name of the channel to Notary Educators with Kimmi. If that's what you're referring to. If not, let me know. What else? Black Oracle, yes ma'am. Terry J, what logbook do you use for your ink fingerprinting? I have my own specialty journal that I created, and I think you all should check it out. So the specialty journal that I created is for your apostilles, it's for your ink fingerprinting, it's for when you do proctoring work, it's for anything that's actually not notary related. So that journal is really nice. You can find it also at Notary Educators under Notary Supplies, okay? Yeah, it's a really nice journal. So I actually created that because there wasn't anything on the market like that. So in that journal, I write my ink fingerprinting appointments. I write my I-9 appointments in there because that's not a notarial work. I include that in there. So yeah, anything that is not notary related goes in that specialty journal. So check it out. It's really nice. I just reduced the price of that too. Yeah. Chiquita says yes because other places are priced ridiculously. Yeah, I already know. Denise says, how long does it take to become certified usually? Denise Jenkins. So in your state, in Georgia, you can get your commission the same day. You just need 2 people to say that they know you and fill out the form. Now we have a test we have to take. And that test is simple. It's nothing new. I took the test before it was a requirement. But it's still not going to teach you how to run a business. So even if your state does offer a little training, I have people from California and they have an intense 6-hour training. They still got to train with us because we take you next level. Your training, any state is not going to teach you how to price. They're not going to teach you customer service. They're not going to teach you all the fundamentals that are required to have a successful business. They just don't. They ain't got time for that. They're not even worried about you creating a business out of this. You know, that's not what the notary role was designed for. But people just found out about it. Okay. All right. Nakia saying hi. Yep, in my cart on Amazon right now. Oh, great. Thank you. I appreciate it. Terry J says great. Linda, what are the steps to become a notary in Douglasville, Georgia? So you need to go to your state, and I'm going to encourage you to get to start your notary book in the state of Georgia. Let me show y'all what the book look like right quick. I always forget to have one here. But here's your book for Georgia. Start your notary business in the state of Georgia. It's a very quick read. Boom. It's going to tell you everything you need to start your book, your business. Florida, Indiana, every state has their own book, okay? So start there so you can get an overview of the business. I like you to have an overview. That's why I was saying earlier, don't just sign up for mentorship. I want you to know why you're signing up for mentorship. Sign up when you're actually ready to do your business or start learning the business, okay? That's the point of mentorship, because you don't have to do the live aspect of it. A lot of people don't like the live training part. You would be surprised. I thought that was going to be a big seller, but a lot of people, some do, some don't. Some just want to learn at their own pace, at their own rate, and have access to all of the trainings. And I get that, because I know I'm a part of Weight Watchers, and sometimes I feel like going to the meetings, and sometimes I don't. You know, so same thing with us too. So if you just want to join the mentorship to watch the courses, you can. Yep. Yep. Yeah, you can do that if you want to just join mentorship and then you know, just watch the trainings. I don't have a problem with that. And some people feel like they're cheating when they do that. I'm like, you're not cheating. It's okay. You can work the program however you want to. I'm not that person. I'm not sitting around saying, you can only join it if you come to the live trainings. Now, I think you'll do better if you come to the live trainings. I really do. I believe in my heart you'll do much better. You'll get that hands-on that you need, you know. Someone that's here from mentorship, do you think the live aspect of it helps you to develop faster? I think it does. And that's just my own opinion. I really do, because we talk about everything. Once you go through the training, you still might need some additional help with something, you know. But I like the live aspect of it, and that's why I wrote the course, created the mentorship program the way I did, because I just believe with that kind of hand holding, it kind of helps you to go next level. You're not in it by yourself, and again, at that price point, can't beat it. Can't beat it. So to answer your question, though, I would have you to get that book to go over step by step. I would have you visit the Clerk County website, state of Georgia. I think it's Georgia Clerk County. It's GCCCA or something like that. I would have you visit the website so you can find out what the requirements are for your county. It only costs like $50. Each state is each county is a little bit different. So that's what I would recommend, okay? It absolutely does. Denise Jenkins. Lori W says, yes, having the option gives you a peace of mind. Yeah, so you have options. You can do whatever you want. You can visit the live training, or you don't have to. Whatever you decide you want to do. Okay? Whatever you decide works best for you. You got options there. All right, what else we got going on before I get out of here? I'm doing my doing my thumbnail for this video. My client signed with a pencil. What happened next? That's what ChatGPT gave me. I'm gonna see what the people say. Do they like this thumbnail? All right, what else we got going on? That's it. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? What else? Anything else? Alright, because I'm going to get ready to get out of here. Anything else going on? Okay, well, I'm going to get out of here. And now, I do have a few new people that signed up. Just came on. Are there any questions I could ask? I always like to try to answer people. Texas on the 21st. What's going on in Texas on the 21st? What's going on in Texas? All right, well, I'm going to get out of here, guys. On behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, I'm going to say have a great and amazing night. I look forward to seeing you all over in mentorship. Don't forget about the book, Start Your Notary Business. It's not that complicated. Or Notarize Like a Pro. It's not that complicated. And check out our free resources. If you are brand new here, there is a tip sheet on how to get started also under free resources, okay? And Terry J says we'll be able to do online apps. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Oh, that's good, because, yeah, our stuff is online. Then we print it, and then we take it in there. So each state has a little different process. Each state has a little different process. For notary, you said for a rotary. I think you meant notary, right? Oh, online notary. Is that what you mean, Terry? But either way, that's great. Anytime you can do something remotely, okay? All right, guys, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi. Oh, yeah, she's saying online notary. Cool. That's good. Congrats. I would do online notary. I would do in-person notary. I would do all notaries to apply. Terry J, now you're doing too much with these texts, with these messages now. She means to apply for a notary. Okay, cool. Because I thought y'all Texas was already online. Yeah. Y'all already remote, but you just, and you also got an increase in how much you could charge too this year or last year. All right, guys. Again, I'm out of here. I will see you over in mentorship. Be blessed. Bye. All Things Notary, Notary Educators LLC.